Before buying an Underglow kit for your truck, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many buyers complain about durability and control options, but the real differences often lie in the features that enhance your driving experience. Product number 1. Nightlight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit. First up is the Nightlight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit, priced at $45.99. What caught my eye is the Bluetooth app control, allowing you to customize your Underglow lights with ease. If you want a fun, interactive way to light up your truck, this is worth a serious look. So, why should you consider this kit? The Nightlight kit includes 4 pods, each with 500 lumens and a wide 120-degree flood beam. This means you'll not only get vibrant colors, but also excellent illumination for visibility when off-roading. Plus, with a lifespan of 50,000 hours and a construction that's waterproof, shockproof, and rustproof, you're looking at a reliable option that can take a beating. With 4.4 stars from 4,200 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its quality. Now, here's the catch. Some buyers mention difficulty with installation, specifically needing to connect the lights correctly to avoid burnout. But here's the thing. If you follow the instructions closely, it's pretty straightforward. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a quality, app-controlled Underglow kit without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need something super easy to install right out of the box. But if you're willing to put in a bit of effort, it's a great value for money. Now, if the installation challenge bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, TD Explorer 8 Pods RGB LED Rock Lights. Next up is the TD Explorer 8 Pods RGB LED Rock Lights for $48.99. Right away, the extensive features grab my attention, especially the dual zone control and music sync mode. If you're after a more immersive lighting experience, this might be the right choice. Why does this matter? With 160 SMD LED lights, you get a brilliant display with millions of colors, perfect for customizing the look of your truck. The IP68 waterproof rating means it can withstand tough conditions, and the Smart Brake effect is a safety feature that turns the lights red when you hit the brakes, alerting other drivers. This kit has a solid 4.3-star rating from 1,100 reviews, with many users praising its brightness and durability. However, some users did report that the controller isn't waterproof, which could be a concern for those who frequently drive in harsh conditions. But honestly, if you're careful about where you place the controller, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This kit is ideal if you want a comprehensive lighting system that adds flair and safety. Skip it if you're on a tight budget and need something simpler, but for the features offered, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want robust performance. Product number 3, Yylynth Underglow Kit. Coming in at $26.99, we have the Yylynth Underglow Kit. What surprised me was its affordability combined with a decent range of features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers, this one deserves a look. This kit shines with its high-intensity 3-in-1 RGB LED chip, which provides amazing brightness while keeping power consumption low. You get 16 million color options and 29 preset modes, plus music sync capabilities that make the lights dance along with your tunes. Its IP68 waterproof rating means you can use it regardless of weather conditions. With 4.4 stars from 808 reviews, many users appreciate the brightness and ease of installation. Now, some buyers pointed out that the adhesive could be stronger, which is something to consider if you're off-roading. But here's the thing. Using additional mounting methods can easily resolve this issue. This is perfect if you want a solid Underglow kit without spending a fortune. Skip it if you need a super high-end option, but for the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for a more premium feel, you'll want to hear about the next product. Product number 4, OPT7 Aura RGB Aluminum Car Underglow Kit. Next, we have the OPT7 Aura RGB Aluminum Car Underglow Kit at $109.99. What really stood out to me is the aluminum casing that offers more durability than standard plastic kits. If you're serious about your truck's underglow, this kit is worth considering. This Underglow kit features 4 movable LED bars that are IP67 waterproof, ensuring they resist corrosion and moisture. With 12 vibrant color options and 24 dynamic modes, you can customize your truck's look for any occasion. It's rated 4.5 stars from 2,400 reviews, and users rave about its ease of installation and reliable performance. However, a few users mentioned that the price might be a bit steep for casual users. But honestly, if you value durability and customization, the investment might be totally worth it in the long run. This kit is best for truck enthusiasts who want a long-lasting, customizable lighting solution. Skip this if you're just looking for a basic Underglow, but for serious users, it checks all the boxes. Now, if you want something even more feature-rich, the next product is designed with you in mind. Product number 5, OPT7 Aura Pro RGB Aluminum Truck Underglow Kit. Finally, we have the OPT7 Aura Pro RGB Aluminum Truck Underglow Kit at $124.99. What caught my attention was the advanced features like Bluetooth app control and dimmable options. If you want the ultimate in customization, this is a must-see. This Underglow kit features 4 aluminum LED bars, designed to withstand rough conditions while providing vibrant lighting effects. You can control it via the OPT7 Glow app or remote, and it offers countless colors and music sync modes. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,400 reviews, many users love how easy it is to install and customize. However, some users reported occasional connectivity issues with the app. But here's the thing, if you're tech-savvy and comfortable troubleshooting, it shouldn't be a major problem. This kit is perfect for those who crave full control over their lighting experience. Skip it if you're looking for something basic, but for the features and quality, it's a standout investment. So to wrap things up, we looked at the Nightlight RGB kit for a budget-friendly option, the TD Explorer for extra features, the Island for a great value, the OPT7 Aura for durability, and the OPT7 Aura Pro for premium control. Each of these kits has something unique to offer, so it really depends on what you need for your truck. Choose wisely and happy illuminating.